Social media. Twitter. Module 1. Is Twitter right for you and your business? Twitter is one of the top social media platforms in the world. It gives users the ability to send instant, real-time messages or tweets to an unlimited number of followers. And it lets users access the latest news from family, friends, businesses, and even celebrities. In short, Twitter provides an easy, fun way to connect with others. Since your Herbalife business is based on relationships, Twitter could be a great opportunity to communicate with your customers and other Herbalife independent distributors. You can share information about your interests, your views, and even the latest and most up-to-date information about your Herbalife products and business. But first, let's see if a Twitter account is right for you. Let's start learning about the advantages of Twitter. You can share information that is important to you. If you become an advanced user, then you can share the latest Herbalife news, product updates, and photos, as well as your own inspiring success stories. You can listen to what others are saying about topics that interest you, such as your hometown, your hobbies, or breaking nutrition and lifestyle stories. For example, the official Herbalife Twitter account is a great source of nutrition and exercise tips, as well as news about Herbalife events and sponsorship updates. You can connect with others by responding in real time to feedback and compliments from clients and potential clients. Build and grow a community of like-minded people who share your interests like Herbalife, nutrition, and an active, healthy life. Now, let's take a look at the disadvantages. Do you already feel comfortable using a computer or smartphone? Twitter requires a good understanding of how to use a computer or mobile device. If you can use email, then you will probably find using Twitter straightforward. However, if you don't like to type, then social media is probably not for you. You must put in time and effort to post on Twitter on a regular basis. You don't need an account to listen in on Twitter, but if you do create an account with the intention of posting, then you need to find high-quality content that will interest your budding online community. If you're not going to put in the time and effort, there is little point in starting a Twitter account. Twitter is mostly text and not as visual or flashy as some other social media platforms. Twitter has a limit of 140 characters per tweet, which means that each of your posts must be clear, concise, and interesting. Also, you must be very careful with these type of short-format announcements, as you should never make product claims without the required disclaimers or disclosures. Any grammatical errors, controversial remarks, or embarrassing mistakes you post can damage your reputation and that of Herbalife. While you can erase your Twitter posts, nothing you post online is ever truly gone. You must always check your posts for mistakes before posting and avoid making controversial remarks. Don't feel you need to create a Twitter account, or any social media accounts for that matter. Some people have a natural affinity for online communication, whereas others prefer to stick with face-to-face communication. Whatever works for you is fine. After all, our philosophy at Herbalife is use where talk, and social media is just a new place to talk. Even if you don't have a Twitter account, you can still make use of many of Twitter's features. Do an online search for a subject that interests you plus the word Twitter, and you'll discover content from around the world. You can also check out our Herbalife account at twitter.com/Herbalife, where you can read our tweets without needing to create an account. From there, you can easily look for other accounts using the search bar. With Twitter feeds and fast follow, you can read many of the postings from other Twitter users. All you need is internet access or a smartphone with SMS capabilities. A Twitter feed is a compilation of all the content or tweets that someone has posted on Twitter. For example, on the official Herbalife Twitter feed, twitter.com/Herbalife, you can read all the latest tweets from Herbalife and even scroll down to see older posts. You can find the Twitter feed for any person or company simply by using a search engine like Google or Bing. Just type in the name of the person or company and the word Twitter. With Fast Follow, you can follow a Twitter account on your smartphone without creating an account. For example, to follow the Herbalife Twitter feed in the United States, simply text "Follow Herbalife" to the short code 40404. You will then start receiving Herbalife tweets on your phone as SMS texts. Please note that different countries and mobile carriers use different short codes. Even though you can read other people's Twitter posts with these methods, you can't post your own tweets unless you set up your own account. If you've decided that creating a Twitter account is right for you, go to the webpage twitter.com and find the sign-up box. Then, enter your name, your email address, and a password. Finally, select your username. You can type your own or choose the one Twitter suggests. Usernames are how you are identified on Twitter. You can use your own name or the name of your business. But remember, do not use Herbalife HLF, or any of our product names in your username. Your username should let people know who you are, so we strongly recommend using your real name. Once you've set up your account, you'll want to design your profile so your name, bio, website, and profile picture all work together to tell your Herbalife story in an honest, credible, and professional manner. First, make sure the photo you choose for your profile picture is appropriate and looks professional. This picture is shown as a small square next to your tweets, so a close-up of you smiling is ideal. Next, include a link to your independent distributor website if you have one. Once your Twitter followers learn about the benefits of Herbalife and a healthy, active life, they'll want to know where they can purchase products for themselves. Now comes your bio, where you'll write a short, informative description about yourself and your business in 160 characters or less. If you're going to be tweeting about Herbalife and the benefits of a healthy, active life, then you must identify yourself as an Herbalife independent distributor. If you choose, you can also add a background image to your Twitter page. Choose an image from the pre-made selections, or choose to customize your own. Remember not to use the Herbalife logo or images of Herbalife products as your profile picture or as a background picture. Finally, click on Save Changes and your profile is complete. It's that simple. In the following modules, you'll learn about key features of Twitter, be introduced to Twitter terminology, know how to build your followers, and, most importantly, learn how to use Twitter as part of a successful business strategy.